made my last stitch there, and we're going to join into this chain 1 where we had our marker by making a slip stitch. For rounds 16 to 22, you'll repeat round 15, which was the round that we just did. And once you've finished round 22, I'll meet you at the end and explain how to do the edging, which is the last round. Okay, so I'm up to the end of round 22 and we're almost finished. And this is what it's looking like now. So for round 23 we'll be doing an edging of slip stitches. So to get started, we'll slip stitch into the next stitch along from where we joined. So slip stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and this is what we'll be doing right around. So continue on right around until you get to the end here, and I'll show you how to finish off. So at the end of round 23 of doing slip stitches right around, I'm just going to make my last one here. And then we're going to finish off. So cut your yarn, leaving enough to weave into the work. And with your yarn needle, just thread this through. And now what I do is I try to hide the knot by just going in down through the next slip stitch here. And it pulls it down like that. And then you can run the needle down through that stitch, and then along the row of stitches here. And you can go as far as you like, and then just skipping that loop there and then come back this way. Through the stitches. And you can trim that off.